So for the electricity grid, with more and more renewables entering in the system, the point with renewables nowadays is that very intermittent. So basically it's putting a lot of stress in the network with unpredictability. And well, it means that in order to cope with this amount of renewable, we would in theory need to reinforce quite drastically the network unless we're able to find alternative solutions. That's the way forward. Well, one of the answers to this intermittency is to find back some flexibility. And the flexibility, I mean, historically, we had them in classical thermal generation. Another way to find this flexibility is actually to find flexibility at a much more local level, which is what prosumers are. So basically, some of our big customers, they are both consumers and producers, and there's quite a big reservoir of flexibility there. So what we have to do in order to really relieve the grid and to provide a cheaper solution than reinforcing the grid is to be able to give to these prosumers some very locational signals and to value this flexibility where it sits. So we're able to unlock this flexibility and basically find a solution so that the system is able to cope with more intermittency without having to reinforce too much the grid. So that's by combining the local production consumption and the use of flexibility for the network. I believe this is the way forward for the electricity grid for tomorrow.